Dude, look, the chickens are fucking crystal clear. I look like a video of fucking Bigfoot. Hey, that fucking guy. Why is he so blurry, dude?
It's all zoomed in. I can't help that.
Telemarketers are never going to be fucking intimidated by that.
Telemarketer. That was the last game plan, though.
You're a sum of all your parts, Chad. It's cumulative.
There we go. Bam.
It's Keefer Cam words of wisdom.
We now have chickens. Yeah! Moving on up in
chickens.
the world. Moving on up in this fucking world.
Where's my shit clicking? What the fuck? My phone's doing all kind of shit.
That's what you get for getting an Android.
We got milk and sodas.
No, you don't.